When I first heard about the allegations of neglect, I was flabbergasted. How can a person be treated that way and have those charges filed? My daughter was not sleeping at night because of this. She was a wreck. We were all a wreck. How can something like this happen? DCF, I just can't believe that DCF could do this. I called my daughter. I said, I think I found the attorney. I left him a message without even talking to you. I'm sorry, but I did. I said, and I'm waiting for him to call back. She says to me, I found an attorney, Mom. I'm going to call him. When I get out of work, when I get to your house, I'm going to call him. I said, oh, okay. I said, who is it? Guess who? Kevin Seaver. She read the same reviews and she felt the same way. When she got to my house, she called Kevin Seaver. Kevin Seaver called her back within probably 30 minutes, spoke with her, set up an appointment. We went to Boston the next day to meet with Kevin Seaver. What got us to come to Boston to see Kevin Seaver was the simple fact that he had a 4.9 rating out of 5 stars. His reviews were great. And what I loved more than anything, to be totally honest, was there was a flat fee. I wasn't going to get nickel and dime every time I called to ask what's happening. Ka-ching, send an email. Ka-ching, email comes back. Ka-ching. I didn't have to worry about any of that. I knew that everything was done and she could call, she could ask. Kevin Seaver called me. I could call Kevin Seaver. Kevin Seaver was a very easy lawyer to work with for the simple fact that he gave you his personal cell phone and you could call him at all times of the day, the night, anything, and he answered. There was never a time that he did not call you back or answer. It depends, what he was doing. But he is the man. You didn't have to worry, oh, this phone call is costing me, $30 a minute, $70 a minute. You knew that everything was already paid for. So you were comfortable. That phone call you may not have made to another attorney really meant something, and you may have lost your case because you were afraid to make that phone call. He explained everything step by step. You were always in the loop with Kevin Seaver. He let you know what the next step is, what's coming up. You need attorney Kevin Seaver when it comes to DCF. You really do. When I think of the words Kevin Patrick Seaver, I think winner. He is a winner. He does not lose. Winner all the way. Winner. Golden trophy, golden cup. He's a Tom Brady. When it comes to football, Tom Brady's your man. When it comes to DCF, Kevin Seaver is your attorney. Attorney Seaver treated us very well. We felt prepared, ready. We were ready for what DCF was going to throw at us. We were ready. We were prepared. We were confident in everything that we were there for. We were confident that things would work out because Kevin Seaver never left any stone unturned. He told us what to expect, what to do, what happens. We were there. We went through the whole thing, and Kevin Seaver held our hand the whole way with DCF. Kevin Seaver does not sugarcoat anything. He tells you the truth. You know what to expect. You may not like what he has to say, but he won't sugarcoat it to make you feel good. He wants you to feel that things can happen and you need to pay attention and to do what is right for you.